Sanibulani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, bathabanya abantu one day uShibase is going to hit uMusa on camera. Bathi-ke, did you guys see the way uShibase was busy tapping uMusa's leg on last night's episode? Listen guys, uShibase is not happy with the fact that uMusa benonyana wakhe went to enlobola a girl and uShibase knew nothing about it. Now amanye ama-fans are like, hayibo uShibase, she thinks she's special. Yena, she's the one who said ukuthi akafuni ukuzingena, so what does she want now? Hayibo guys, ngimangele, because as umzali, if I'm saying I don't want to be involved in something, it doesn't mean ukuthi ngingatshelwa. It means ukuthi you don't expect my blessings in what you're doing. But it doesn't mean when as my husband, you keep it a secret and you don't say nothing. Also, uMusa usile guys, instead of him taking accountability, because he is the one who basically gave Mpumelelo his blessings to go ahead and lobola Amahle. Why isn't he taking accountability for that? Instead of him taking accountability, he's dumping it on uShibase, that uShibase should have just opened up her home and welcomed Amahle. How do you welcome umuntu ongamazi? Like honestly guys, ashqoqeni, what was uShibase supposed to do in this case? For uMusa to even say he doesn't see Amahle coming to visit at uShibase's house, uShibase, what was she supposed to do? Call Amahle and then say, oh ngizwe ukuthi hayi ke, what was she supposed to do? And abanye ke who really don't like uShibase are going to make this a thing, because I can see some people are like, no, uShibase vele unjalo. Now it's gonna seem ingathi uShibase did not want to accept Amahle, and because uMusa previously had said that uShibase did not like uVuyo, now it's gonna seem like vele uShibase is that type of mother or khetha amantombazana who wants to choose who she will love amongst the girlfriends that her son dates. And yazi guys, coming to Amahle, yena Amahle and her family as well, the way they were so quick to accept Mpumelelo's lobola, I just kind of feel like sometimes guys, don't be that girl of you find another woman in a man's life and you're like, hey, angizingeni, it's none of my business, this man is lobolaring me first, and you want to act special. Don't be like that. Zingene, enter the business and find out why did Utirelo's family reject amalobolo, or why wouldn't Utirelo want to get married? Don't think you're the special one, or else you're gonna find out the hard way, just the way Amahle is in an intense type of situation, because allegedly she's got a child, and like, oh, what is she gonna do? She can't just vumbuga or show up at uShibase's house with a child. And that time Utirelo warned Umahle ukuthi girl ungamithi. Like the situation guys, it's so sad because Amahle was young, and now this whole pity, she's as good as a side chick now, because she can't visit her mother-in-law, she can't bring the child because akaziwa, and yet amalobolo were taken out for her. So Banja, I don't blame uShibase. What must she do? Yes, it's sad because there's a grandchild, but anyway guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.